Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to tell you about 3 steps that can change your life. Number 1. Importance of time management. Time management means planning and using your hours wisely. It helps us balance work, study, family, and relaxation. A person who manages time well is always ahead. Less stress, better results, and more free time. Without time management, even talented people waste opportunities. Prioritizing tasks, avoiding procrastination, and setting goals make us more productive and successful in life. In short, time is life, and managing it means managing success. Number 2. Social media. Boon or bane? Social media is a powerful tool. It connects people worldwide, spreads knowledge, and creates business opportunities. For students, it can be a source of learning. For professionals, a place to network. However, overuse makes it harmful. Addiction, fake news, reduced focus, and mental health issues are common. So, social media is both a boon and a bane. The real difference depends on how we use it, wisely for growth or carelessly for distraction. Number 3. Role of education in success. Education is not just about books. It shapes our thinking, skills, and character. A good education helps us choose the right career, communicate effectively, and make smart decisions. It teaches discipline, problem-solving, and confidence. Without education, success is like walking in the dark, hard to achieve and easy to lose. In today's world, education is the foundation of personal growth, social progress, and financial stability. Truly, education is the key to success.